come on in. It's a very spacious room. First, when you walk in, you have your bathroom right over here. And it's quite spacious, if I do say so myself. Love all the modern fixtures. And then there's lots of hidden storage kind of throughout the cabin. Up here, down there. Lots and lots of storage. Big closet. And it's even got a floor-to-ceiling mirror. And you got your safe in here with more storage. Of course, the bed, the TV on the wall, another full-length mirror, and this part's really cool because you can pull it out. Have a little table that does come out further. You got charging base here, lots and lots of storage, nice couch, and of course, the balcony, everyone's favorite part. There we go. This balcony is a little bit different than most of them on Celebrity Apex. But we're very excited to see what adventures are in store for our first celebrity cruise on Celebrity Apex.